Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to copy your LinkedIn account URL or link and you can share with your friends. So let's see how to do it. First of all, open your LinkedIn app, tap on profile icon in the corner, tap again, tap on three dot icon, tap on share option. You can copy your link here and you can share your link with your friends any social media platform. You can share your link in Facebook, Message, Gmail, Instagram, WhatsApp and other social media platform. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching and stay connected for more updates. Thank you so much everyone.